अब हो चुकी है लॉन्च होपफुली दैट इज द हीरो एक्सपल्स 210। तो ये वीडियो देखेंगे हम लोग बाय 91 व्हील्स। फर्स्ट लुक रिव्यूज, आई गिव यू माय इंप्रेशन। Will this will be a upgrade for me if I want to upgrade my Xpulse? Will it make sense? Or will it make sense for anyone to buy this motorcycle as their first motorcycle or for off-roading? जो भी है, चलो बात करते हैं इसके ऊपर, ठीक है? Is Xpulse good for city use? I like how it looks. Yeah, man, it's perfect. See, Xpulse, yes, it has the off-roading capabilities, very good off-roading capabilities. But at the core, it's a commuter first. At the core, it's a commuter first. The way the engine is tuned, the way you sit on it, everything. Full off-road. Actually, the footpeg position on this not bad compared to the old Xpulse, जहाँ पे थोड़ा forward set था footpeg, and I had to put a JC Moto का footpeg, bring back the footpeg a bit back and a bit down. I think this is a better footpeg position. Noise. I like the exhaust on this, man. It looks like my MW exhaust. We'll talk about it. Nice.
10 सीसी एक्स्ट्रा एंड 25,000 रुपए इस बाइक की कॉस्ट ऊपर गई है. इफ यू थिंक लाइक दैट वे, दैट इज अ रॉन्ग थिंकिंग.
I was gonna say the same thing. मेरे को 10 सीसी से मतलब नहीं है, मेरे को इसके वेट से मतलब है. We'll talk about it.
वेलकम बैक टू 91 व्हील्स. मैं हूं बनी पुनिया और ये है हेवीली अपडेटेड हीरो की एक्सपल्स.
From the first look, I'll say it looks so much more current gen. Though it doesn't have that rugged feel. Build quality looks really nice. See the engine case. See how the exhaust is been tucked in. The radiator shroud looks so nice.
दिस बाइक इज मोर देन जस्ट 10 सीसी. इसके अलावा आपको बहुत कुछ बाइक के अंदर मिलता है.
You're getting more power though.
Not a review, but I can tell you बहुत कुछ मिलता है. ये जो इंजन है, that is from the Karizma, and Karizma is known for performance.
This 210cc engine from Karizma, जिनको मैंने अप्रोच किया है, जो ओन करते थे, they told that they were not that happy with the performance of the engine. Reason was the vibrations on it. पता नहीं क्या सीन है इसमें. Maybe they have improved the engine. Maybe much more smoother now. The 204V, the one which I ride, there is vibration, but that's like a character of the motorcycle, and it's not bad at all. I've ridden it for 200, 300, 400 kilometers and all, and totally fine riding that bike. Hopefully this one also performs well, like the old one.
साथ साथ 30% more power and 20% higher torque. And
wow.
6-speed gearbox मिल जाता है. ये सारा
This is what I wanted. The 6th gear. The bike always felt it's missing one gear on the highway. Not on off-road, on the highway when you're touring.
Gear is useful for your highway runs.
Okay.
Bike की vibration,
I like the indicators.
Highway. In this one, I want to show you the screen as well. This is a highlight of the motorcycle.
Okay. Oh, this one is top end.
Look at
TFT screen on a Xpulse. Hopefully it works. I'll tell you why.
You see trail over here. आपको इसमें ऑफ रोड ABS मिल जाता है. 3 मोड्स मिलते हैं, ट्रेल, ऑफ रोड एंड नॉर्मल रोड. इसके अलावा लेफ्ट पे टॉगल स्विचेस हैं to go between various parameters. For example,
तो इसी पे मैं बात कर लेता हूँ कि they are giving all this electronics and all. TFT स्क्रीन है, अच्छी बात है, सब कुछ है. मेरी दिक्कत जो थी, जो है अभी भी 204V के साथ, छोटी सी चीज वो है गियर इंडिकेटर. ओनली 40% काम करता है, आधा टाइम नहीं काम करता है. वो या तो गलत दिखा रहा होता है या कुछ भी नहीं दिखा रहा होता है. टर्न बाय टर्न डायरेक्शन सिस्टम है उसमें. हाँ, आप मिस कर दोगे टर्न, उसके बाद टर्न दिखाएगा. सी, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट ऑल दैट. आई बॉट एक्सपल्स टू डू ऑफ रोड. मैंने तो अपना कंसोल निकाल के रख दिया साइड में अभी के लिए. होपफुली एवरीथिंग वर्क्स 100%, एंड इवन इफ इट वर्क्स 80%, आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी.
of course, like the Xpulse पहले वाला, जो 4V will remain on sale. आपका technical card for
4V will stay on sale. Oh, that's cool.
इसके अंदर स्क्रीन जो है, फ्लाई स्क्रीन, थोड़ा सा बड़ा, थोड़ा सा चौड़ा हो चुका है.
आई थिंक बड़ा तो पुराने वाले में भी आ रहा था, रैली मोड में एटलीस्ट तो दिखा है मैंने. Even my friend had he cut it off though. Maybe it's wider.
Was the same LED kind of headlights मिल जाती हैं.
Nice.
इसकी performance मैंने showcase करी in the main video that goes live very soon. And for the first time, I have seen this on an Indian motorcycle. Very, very useful. कहीं फंस जाते हैं, your
that's nice.
और bikers can pull you out of a situation.
Usually क्या होता है, हिल क्लाइंब कर रहे हैं या तो आप मड में फंस गए हो, then your friends have to help you out. Either they'll hold the suspension, but if you have something to hold something like this, like a grab rail, that's a very simple and good feature to have. I like it.
And from a rider's perspective, this is how the bike will sound like.
Sounds like an Xpulse.
कोर्स जब शुरू करते हैं, लिखा था Xpulse make your own tracks and the display comes in over here.
Make your own tracks.
Lift strap, ये एक ऑफिशियल ऐड ऑन है for your mobile phone.
वो मोबाइल होल्डर भी हीरो दे रहा है, बोबो का है. लेकिन
चारों इंडिकेटर्स ऑन करने के लिए हैजर्ड स्विच है एंड ये स्टार्ट स्टॉप का
हैजर्ड स्विच आल्सो कम्स.
टैंक के अंदर बदलाव जरूर करा गया है. हीरो सेज कि थोड़ा पतला करा है so that the bike is more accessible. बट तब भी
it'll be easier for people जो पहले फ्लैट फुट नहीं कर पा रहे थे बिकॉज ऑफ द शेप ऑफ द टैंक एंड द सीट. होपफुली ही इज बेटर फॉर शॉर्टर राइडर्स.
But for a tall person, this is how the Xpulse looks like.
Oh, nice.
मेरे दोनों feet are firmly on the ground right now. And नई वाली Xpulse के अंदर आपको increase travel मिलता है suspension का आगे और पीछे. Look at
Okay.
this. Undulations.
But it's not adjustable, right? This
corner
one?
bumps.
On the
I can't
standard
wait to tell you
Xpulse.
very,
I don't
very
think
soon.
so. Someone who doesn't want to get rally, he can use this only. Enough. More than enough, I feel. The first gen Xpulse, the standard one, was commuter at heart, which can handle bad roads. But this one feels with the taller suspension, with the ergonomics, with the grab handle in the front and all those, it feels like they know what people actually buy Xpulse for. They might buy it for commuting purpose also, which it works perfectly. And they might take it off-road also. So it's ready to do it.
थोड़ा सा extra बदलाव कराए for your space. That is what Hero tells me.
See this partner, if you remove this fender, proper become like a MX bike or a dual sport rear. This sharp tail section, it looks sleek at the back. Nice.
नया इंजन, नया फ्रेम,
Nice.
more power, more torque, 6-speed gearbox, more features, and of course 1.74 lakh rupees ex-showroom daily. ये आपको मिलने वाली है from the Premia showrooms जो Hero is opening up.
Premium showrooms. Hero is coming with premium showrooms. I didn't know that. Previously, when I bought the Xpulse, people who worked at those showrooms, they had very little knowledge about these motorcycles, man. I think they can only sell Hero, Splendor, Scooter, Pooter and all. When it comes to all these, enthusiast motorcycles, yeah, for the example Xpulse and all, they had very little information, man. Some random ass things will talk.
for content creation for
So
you
by the way,
guys.
this is the liquid
So yes,
cooled engine.
ये है आपके लिए liquid cooled engine
ओए.
के साथ 210 cc वाली. And next year Hero ने hint दिया है कि they will finally come up with a 400 cc plus
440.
adventure motorcycle. So yes,
440 X का
Xpulse
engine.
400 is a reality. अगले साल आ जानी चाहिए. Riding
That's
the new
something I'm looking forward to.
Extreme 250R.
Video is over here. Let me give my 2 cents. What do I think about this motorcycle? See, my purpose when I bought a Xpulse was majorly off-road and then some touring on it. Say, for example, who doesn't own a Xpulse and has come into the market to buy a motorcycle to do off-road on, to learn off-road on. Will I buy the 204V or will I buy the 210? I don't think so. I'll buy the 210. Specs पढ़ के बता रहा हूं मैं, चला के नहीं बता रहा हूं. Maybe after riding the motorcycle it will change. Why? Because yes, power has gone up, the torque has gone up, but the weight also has gone up by 10 kgs. That's where this product doesn't make sense for me to learn off-roading on. When you're learning something, you need as light as possible motorcycle, especially off-road. And the power that Xpulse 200 4V produces is more than enough to learn. More than enough. But if I was in a market to tour on, majorly tour on, and to do some off-road, that's when the Xpulse 210 will make sense. I'm still waiting for the Xpulse 210 Rally edition to come out. I don't know what changes will be there. Most probably I'll feel there'll be a taller suspension, adjustable suspension in the front and rear. I think a different set of foot pegs, a bit rear set, down foot pegs, and raised handlebars. I think that will be the major difference. If they are able to reduce weight, that will be phenomenal. I'm done. I'm sorted. I think I'll upgrade also if they are able to do that. Very good product. I just hope that the engine is refined enough. थोड़े बहुत vibes तो रहेंगे. That is like character of a single cylinder. And also I wish all the electronics that they're giving with the motorcycle works at least 80%. जब तक चलाएंगे तभी पता चलेगा असलियत बाइक की. Spec sheet I have always said is just 40 to 50% story of a motorcycle. Just 40 to 50% story of a motorcycle. Once you ride the motorcycle, that's when you know the whole story. That's when you know, is this motorcycle meant for you? Maybe right now I'm feeling 10 kg a lot. Maybe once I ride this motorcycle and the way the weight has been managed on this motorcycle, the way the motorcycle has been balanced, and maybe this motorcycle will be much better than the 204V also. तो देखते हैं बाइक जब लॉन्च होती है, जब लॉन्च हो गई है एक्चुअली, आई होप सो, और फिर चला के तभी पता चलेगा.